Children, let's take the next question. Now, with a purpose and with an intention, I have taken here one of the equation which has denominator. One of the equation which has denominator. Let's see. 3x plus 4y equals to 5 and y is equal to x plus 4. We are supposed to solve it graphically. So we are taking the first one. 3x plus 4y is 5. As we all are aware that we are supposed to convert into y is equal to mx plus c form. So 4y as it is, 5 plus 3x when goes over there becomes minus 3x. So it is 4y is 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x by 4. So now we have denominator, right? So as I said in my previous video that maybe my magical numbers are not going to work out. Maybe all will not work out. Maybe few might not work out. So what are my magical numbers? 1 minus 1, 0. But still, here though I have filled up the column, the numbers to save our time, but still we'll try always with our magical numbers. Maybe few might get, even 1 might get accepted. 1 means one of the value, 1 minus 1, 0. So I've written down 1 minus 1 and 3. I shall give you explanation for everything in detail. So let's check first 1. When I say if I take the value of x as 1, 5 minus 3 into 1, 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Children, you can very well plot 0.5 on the line graph. Right? 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, minus 0.5, minus 1.5, minus 2.5. These things can be easily plotted. So, what is the coordinate? 1, comma 0.5. What if I say minus 1? So, 5 minus of 3 into minus 1. Minus of minus plus. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 4, 2. Minus 1 comma 2. Had I taken here 0, our magical numbers. 3 into 0, 0. What answer would I have got? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 1.25. Is it feasible to plot 1.25 on the line graph? No, children, it is not feasible. So now comes try and error. Keep on trying with 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So that you have an integral value or 0.5 terms or in terms of 0.5. So by doing try and error, say 3. So if I substitute 3 here as x, 3 into 3, 9, 5 minus 9, minus 4 by 4, minus 1, 3 comma minus 1. Now the time has come to plot the line graph. First, 1 comma 0.5, 1 comma 0.5, somewhere here in between. 0.5 in between children here. So I'll write down 1 comma 0.5. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 here. Minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 somewhere here. Are the 3 points collinear? Draw a simple straight line. As I stated, I am going to draw freehand. So maybe my line graph may not be the actual answer what you get it. I am drawing freehand. So immediately this is what my first answer is. Your answer should be 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. You can always cross check with the equation of inclined lines which I have given you. Y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to minus mx plus c, y is equal to minus mx minus c. Right? That way you can cross check whether our line is right or not. With this said and done, let's take what is the other one. Simple. Y is equal to x plus 4. Our numbers will work out. Simple. Even in the standard form it is given to us. So when x is 1, y is 5, 1 comma 5. When x is minus 1, y is 3, minus 1, 3. When x is 0, 4, 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. Let's plot. Let's plot. Answer is going to be 1, 5. Where is 1, 5? 1, 5. So 1, 5 somewhere here. 1, 5 somewhere here. Next, minus 1, 3. Minus 1, minus 1 and 3. So here it is minus 1 and 3. Yeah. 0, 4. X coordinate 0 lies on y-axis. Lies on y-axis. Do write down everywhere. 1, 5. Next is 0, 4. Minus 1, 3. Are they in the straight line? Indeed, yes. Indeed, yes. Just draw a straight line passing through it. This is minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. The point of intersection. The point of intersection is nothing but the solution set. The point of intersection is nothing but the solution set. Whatever answer you get it is your final answer. Whatever answer you get it is your final answer. Now children, one more thing, that here I have given you one question which has a denominator. Maybe both the questions have a denominator. Try and error is what you have to work out. Try and error is what you have to work out. See to it, right? Henceforth, see to it that there are multiple combinations, either 2 lines, 4 lines. Now, if they want to stretch the question very much beyond, I'm taking a rough answer, rough diagram here. This is, our sum is done. Point of intersection is the solution set. Say, instead of 2 lines, they might give you 4 lines. And say, those 4 lines works out in this particular way. They might ask you, find the area of quadrilateral. Maybe it could be a rectangle. Maybe it could be a square. Maybe it could be a rhombus. You have to get the dimensions and find the area. That is the highest possibility normally a board gives. Either they give you 2 lines, point of intersection, area with the coordinate axis, 4 lines, what is the point of intersection with each other. That means point of intersection of this one, right? And what is the figure so formed? With the help of properties, with the help of formulas, get down the area. This is the maximum thing what they can ask you in line graph. Right, people? Now, those in this particular sum, those who are thinking that, sir, your answer is not coming. So, as I said that my answer, we are drawing rough diagram, right? So, maybe my answer is not going to match with your answer. So, even if I said in the previous video also, if I want to know whether my line graph is passing through the point, put x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Put y equal to 0, x should be minus 4. So, if you want to cross check your answer, as I stated now, that my line graph is freehand, your actual line graph should pass through minus 4. Those who are thinking that, sir, I am not getting your answer, your actual line graph is passing through minus 4, right? And this is not the point of intersection. As I said, this is a freehand. The actual answer for this is minus 3, 1. Let me tell you, minus 3, 1. Your point of intersection will be somewhere here, minus 3, 1. Are you getting me, people? So your point of intersection should have the coordinates minus 3, 1. This is our freehand, so you might not get the right answer. The right answer, point of intersection is minus 3, 1. Right? Please.